All right, so you might be familiar with using the Docker Compose command and the PS sub command to list out all of the services and or containers within a given Compose project. So I'm sitting now inside of my proxy directory for my proxy project, and you see I have 4 different containers here. Turns out there's another way you can do this, but on a higher level. I missed this for a long time because I assumed it was just an alias for the PS command, but there's a Docker Compose ls. And this zooms out a level. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see the columns. And this shows me across my entire system all of the Compose projects, the current status, as well as the number of containers. And then it shows me the path on disk where I can get to the Compose file. So this is a system level view of all of your Compose projects, which is a great way to zoom out and take a look at what you have running on your machine without, of course, maybe going over to the dashboard and coming under containers where you can see similar information. I'm a command line junkie, so I prefer to see this over the command line. And of course, in addition to the ls command, there's a -a flag that you can add. When I run that, it'll show me stopped projects. So in this case, I have a modify project. It has 1 exited container and 1 that's just created. And so if I come down to this modify directory on the bottom, DCOPS, nothing shows. That's because it stopped. And now if I bring this up on top here, run my ls again without the -a, and this time it's running. So anyways, I think that's a helpful command to be aware of, though I am kind of frustrated with the sub command being ls, because if you know anything about Docker Container PS, well, if I run Docker Container ls, I get the exact same thing. So forever, I just assumed that PS and ls are interchangeable with all sub commands.